Hello there, this is MK Uswa, your Pidgin English coach. Another day for another video. So how you doing? How you day? How your body? How your family? How your bobo? How your babe? How things that happen for that side? Tell me how far now. Alright? So today I'm going to do another video about a popular Pidgin English phrase. It is called no try yam. No try yam. NOTRYAM. No try, I mean, it's like a warning. You're telling somebody, don't do it, don't do it, no try. So somebody says, I will come and get your car and take it to work. You will tell the person, no try, no try, no try. I don't do it, I don't like it, no try, no try. I don't try it. Don't try it is what that means, alright? So that's a very popular way to tell somebody, don't do it, don't try it, no try, not just try. So if you want to close this video, not just try them. Make sure you watch it and watch all my videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click on the link in the description box. Sign up on my email list. I send beautiful tips on how to speak Pidgin and videos. I also have a full course on how to learn and speak Pidgin, or an audio course, A to Z, everything about Pidgin English. Make sure you get that too. If you have questions for me, any idea at all, reach out to me. No wahala. Take care of yourself. No find trouble for that side. Do you hear me? Okay, now bye bye now. Take care.